everybody. I'm trying to. Oh, that's lag. I'm trying to go for a Fortnite video with my friend, and I guess my brothers. Let's go, I guess. Alright, I'm dropping in. Wait, can you hear now, Ashi? Okay, sick. Alright, so yeah, me and my friend are dropping into Fatal. Let's get it. Ashi, where are you going? Okay, I'm coming with you. I'm gonna lag a little more. No, there are definitely people here. I got a gray pistol. That's not exactly what we want, but whatever. It's okay, nice. Oh my gosh, the textures are not loaded in at all, like at all. I got a green tack. I'm telling you, I'm not this much of a bot, Ashi. I'm just kind of screwing up for a little because I haven't played it. I've played on computer, but I don't play it that much. Also, it's gonna lag more with the recording. Uh-oh. Do you need help? Oh, that's the wrong key. Was that you who just shot? There are people on us, people on us. Yeah, there are definitely people on us. It's a fishy! Nice, let's go. Alright, shake him down, shake him down. Oh my god, his teammate. Okay, shake that. I'm at 1 HP. Cover me, I'm shaking him down. Kill them. That's my first shake. Oh yeah, again. Oh, someone take that pistol. No, Ariel, give that to him. Oh, we're getting shot, we're getting shot, we're getting shot. Yeah, I wonder why. This is kind of like the best time. Alright, guys, this is kind of epic. We have a bot lobby. Epic henchman fighting. This is so epic. This is what everyone wants. Oh, is that? Okay, no, that's just their teammate. Alright. I'm killing some henchmen. No, don't finish him! Don't finish him! I'll pick him up. I'll pick him up. Where's the chest? Where's the chest? Oh, here. I don't know how to do it on this one. I don't know how to do it on this one. Oh, that's how you throw him, at least. I'm telling you guys, I'm sorry. I'm just new to... Oh, my... Oh, you scared me so bad. You needed that. Sorry. Okay, well then, never mind. Alright. Yeah, we're all looking for... Yeah, I agree with you. Alright, we're gonna go grab the chopper and start looking for some people. Oh, let me have him. Alright, it's a bot. I will take you. We knocked him. Yeah, let's go. I have a kill. Here, shake him down. Shake him down. Don't kill him. Never mind. Oh, alright, well then, never mind. Alright, well, that was an easy fight. Hopefully, I just want an easy dub for this. We're coming to the chopper. Alright, we're gonna go grab the chopper and start moving. You what? Oh, wait, I heard C4. I heard C4. Oh, okay. Alright, oh, wait, you're putting C4 in the chopper? That's 100 IQ. Yeah. Agency hasn't been looted, so we kind of just came. What's up? Let's find Midas, as you say. Mighty. Oh, you do? Oh, well. You ask and you shall receive. Oh, he's getting lasered. Oh my god, no, I'm also getting... I killed the henchman. Oh, give me that machine gun. Oh, you do? Oh, Elliot's down. Elliot's down. Yeah. Oh, hello. That No, are you also dead? Here, wait, I'm gonna revive you, Ashi, because you're actually a pro gamer. That's definitely real people. I hear real people. Go, Ashi, get him. Wait, you got the Midas? Oh, save him, 3. No! Alright, well, that was a sad moment in gamer history. Yeah, hold up, I'm trying to revive Elliot. Yeah, I got it. Reboot and I'll revive. We're getting shot by a shotgun. Okay, get him. Nice. Alright, you here, wait. We're getting... Oh no, Elliot, don't. Get his card. Elliot, we're not gonna let you leave any of your loot, okay? We're rebooting you right away. Okay, wait, I'm breaking down Ashi to the vault. Actually, wait, I'm waiting for you. I'm too scared. Here, come. He's right here. He's under here. Help him! Very good. I am. Let's go in. Here, you grab all the good loot. I don't really need anything. Oh, gold scar for you? I just need anything better than this freaking blue suppressed. I mean, a gray, gray ass gun. That's what we're calling it. Oh yeah, I forgot about circle. Alright, let's go. We're going, guys! Oh, that's a henchman. We're putting down a launch pad! Guys, launch pad over here! We're launching, boys. Yeah. That's, guy over there? No, that's Ariel, yeah. Because he's in storm. I can't hit a shot. I'm just gonna, please don't kill him. He's at like 1 HP and I'm a bot. It's okay. There's more over there. You see the wall? We're going there. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. I doubt they can hit a shot, though. If they do, though, that would suck. I'm trying to go fast. Oh, yeah, they're lasering. How are these guys so, like, I mean, not trash, but they're not good. I mean, they're not bad, but they're not. No, my God! I'm dying, I'm lagging and I'm dying. This is sucking. Yes. I can't concentrate with all this screen. I need big help. No, I'm dead! Oh my God, he's in the water. Go, get him, he's in the water. Oh my God, he's trying to kill me, he's trying to finish me. Can you get him? He's right there, he's in the water. Oh, he's running away. Please, Ashley, get me. No, he's right there, he's going for the finish. Oh, nice, please get me, Ashley. I would really enjoy it if I didn't die. Hey, wait, just build around us. Oh, okay, it's a 2v3, we can do this. I have heals for you, and for me. Yeah, you could do it. Alright, there's one guy left, alright? I think we can do this. It's a 2v1. I don't know what trick shot you should go for. Maybe no scope. Well, we have to find the guy first. If he's a sweat. Here, supply drop. Hopefully he doesn't die to storm. That'd be a really bad climax. I have enough recording time to just let it slide right now. So just, build up and see if you can find him. What? He got killed by henchman! Oh my God. That is the most epic ending to a recording I've ever had. Alright, thank you all for watching, and I will see you next time.